Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming at you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market activity report update, we are covering Wood County, Ohio for the month of November 2020. Let's dig in. First and foremost, let's take a look at some of the key metrics, starting with the new listings that have come onto the market in Wood County. So far, year to date, we've got 85 new listings in the month of November versus 95 in the same time last year. That's a change of almost 11% year over year. Pending sales continue to go up, though. When we look at 2020, we have 120 sales pending in November of 2020 versus 91 in November of 2019. That's an increase by almost a third. And what that is driving is more closed sales in the month of November versus this year versus last year. That's an increase of almost 11%, which when we combine these numbers together, what it's doing is it's dropping the month supply of inventory down, which 3 months of inventory in November 2019, keep in mind, folks, this number was already very, very low. A good, stable equilibrium point for months of inventory for our market usually hovers between 4 to 5 months. And when we're down and dipping into the 3 range, that means there's less inventory than there are buyers on the market. Now, flash forward to 2020, we're sitting at 2.2 months worth of inventory, which means there's not a whole lot to choose from. What I predict is going to likely happen if this trend continues. We're going to see a lot more new homes starting to get built, which could hopefully flatten out the need for already built homes to come onto the market. But what it will likely not do is it will likely not control this number, because the average price per square foot to build new and on market is between $160 to $180 a square. And currently in most parts of Wood County, the average sale price for a used home is hovering around $100 to $120 a square. So until those numbers meet, we're not going to see the demand needed to really push home the new construction that we need to offset this curve. So what my long-winded answer is telling us is this is probably our new normal for a good long while from now. On a positive note, for those of us that own property in Wood County, our average sale prices have seen an increase year over year of about 12.6% same time this year. Now, when we look over to the right column, which is the year-to-date column, that number still carries over by 4.5% year-over-year appreciation, which when we look at this again, it's January through the end of November 2019 versus January through the end of November 2020. New listings continue to drop. Pending sales continue to increase, although year-to-date they've dropped, probably because this number's dropped. Closed sales fairly flat again when we compare year over year. Days on market continues to drop, but the average sale price continues to go up, which also means that the percentage to list price received has also increased. 99.3 is a number that suggests that if you listed a house in Wood County for $100,000, when it's sold, be expecting to receive at least $99,300 for it based on this trend. When we look down at the median sale price for single-family homes in Wood County, Ohio, this chart right here tells us quite a bit. It shows us that the low point was right around August, September of 2012. And now we've done nothing but increase year over year over the past almost decade or so. Great time to be a homeowner in this part of Ohio. What this means is your investment is doing very, very well. In the light of a global pandemic where the economy has all but crashed, this goes to show us that real estate is a safe bet. No matter where you are, real estate is doing just fine in this market in Wood County. So if you're a buyer thinking about buying, now's the time to buy. And I'll tell you why. For all of you who are contemplating, oh, well, I'm going to wait for the market to crash. Markets don't typically crash. The only crash that we've seen was right around this time, and this was because the banks caused it. Markets don't typically crash. We see a little bit of an up and down, but year over year we typically see 4 to 5% appreciation. What is likely to happen is interest rates are likely to go up. So if that happens next year, your buying power is going to go down, and prices for real estate are likely to continue to appreciate by that 4 to 5% rate. All this means is you may not be able to buy the same caliber of house that you could today than you will tomorrow. Please don't wait. If you are serious about buying, let's have a serious conversation and see what makes sense for you. Also, if you're serious about selling, it's a great time to be a seller. Most houses that are priced well are seeing multiple offers, and they are not lasting past a few days. So if you're thinking about changing your scenery a little bit, moving down south, upsizing, downsizing, whatever the case may be, Jim T is here to help accomplish your goals. I am here for you. I'm here to walk you through the process. I'm here to explain what you're going to be looking at in today's market, and also here to create a strategy to help you accomplish the best fit for you and your family. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm available to you anytime. Again, this has been Jim T with Key, the Realtor from BG. I hope you all have a great holiday season this year. Stay well, stay healthy, and if you need anything, please feel free to reach out. Also, make sure if you like these market updates, click the like, click the subscribe videos on YouTube. Follow my page. There's a lot of great market videos on specific markets in Wood County that may benefit you. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great